Tokyo Kitchen Japanese cooking class. I'm Yoshimi. Today I'm going to show you how to make SANMA GOHAN. SANMA is Pacific Saury. We eat Pacific Saury, fresh, grilled, simmered, but canned Saury is one of the most classic and popular canned food in Japan. And today I'm cooking canned Saury with rice. Canned Saury is seasoned already, so you don't need any other seasonings. Super easy. At the end of the video, I will show you how I built a menu with this SANMA GOHAN, so stay with me till the end. Okay, let's get started. These are what you need to make 4 servings. 2 cups of Japanese rice, some ginger, 2 cans of Pacific Saury cooked in seasoning, not in water, shimeji mushroom or any other mushroom you like, and some green onion. At first, you need to rinse the rice. Put some water. Stir gently. Drain. And just repeat this 3 or 4 times. Rinse rice into the pot. I'm going to cook the rice with the seasoning in the can. So open the can. Take the fish out. And put the remaining seasoning into the measuring cup that you use to measure rice. And fill it up to 2 cups with cold water. Then add it to the pot. It's 2 cups of rice, so you need 2 cups of water. Rice and water is always 1 to 1. Put the lid on and soak the rice in this water more than half an hour. It's to give enough time for rice to soak up the water to the core, so the rice is nice and fluffy to the core when it's cooked. In the meantime, let's prepare the other ingredients. So shimeji mushroom. Cut the bottom off. Just break into little pieces. And ginger. I'm going to use it with the skin on, so I washed it really well. Make very thin, like paper thin slices. Then into very thin strips, like a needle thin. And green onion. Cut the bottom off. Cut them into half, put them together, cut cut them into half, put them together, and just make thin slices. I'm going to put the green onion after the rice is cooked. So let's put it in a small bowl and set aside. Now, the rice has been soaked for half an hour. So let's put the saury that you took out from the can at the beginning. Shimeji mushroom, and ginger. Leave half of it to garnish later on. Sprinkle all over. Put the lid on, cook over medium-high heat and bring it to boil. Once it comes to boil, turn the heat to low, as low as you can go, and let it simmer for 12 minutes. Simmer for 12 minutes. Now, let it steam at least for 10 minutes. I know you want a sneak peek, but don't. Just let it steam. Steam for 10 minutes, so let's make the green onion. Serve in the rice bowl. Put some fresh ginger. And SANMA GOHAN is ready to go. Time for the tasting. いただきます。I didn't use any seasoning like soy sauce or mirin. It was just a sauce in the can, but it tastes perfectly delicious. And the ginger is doing great work. This is how standard Japanese combo style meal looks. Rice, soup, main, 1 to 2 side dishes. SANMA GOHAN goes here, and onion miso soup or any miso soup you like here. Anything you like for the other dishes, but how about kakiage, a type of tempura for the main, bell pepper kimpira for one of the side dishes, and some sort of pickles to refresh your palate for the other one. I hope you enjoy the meal. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. More videos coming up on every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, so don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss anything. Bye!